Here I have INFINIX Hot 11S, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to turn off your INFINIX phone by holding power key, then holding power off. And after it turns off completely, you have to wait for a few more seconds even after it turns off. And now we can hold down power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and you can see INFINIX logo appeared, you have to release power key. Wait, what? You have to release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. So after you see this XOS and no command message, hold down power key and press volume up once. In the appeared menu, this is already a Android recovery mode. So here in the appeared recovery mode menu, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fastboot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. So if you want to quit this mode, just select an option reboot system now and your device will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.